Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make twine from fabric scraps. This beautiful one is made of fabric scraps from Ink and Spindle, which is a really nice textile homeware company that uses ethical fabric. And these two that I've made are fabric scraps from Ulo, Australia, who uses African prints in clothes for children and women. So these are a great thing to make using those tiny bits of fabric that are no good for anything else. It's good to have them about a finger width wide, but anything that's that kind of size will work perfectly. It's a perfect way to rescue things from the bin. So we're all about reducing textile waste today. So what you need first is 2 strips, and they need to be different lengths, and that'll become clear as to why later on. So the first thing we're going to do is put the 2 strands together, and I'm going to twist them like this just to make it easier to make a knot at the start, like that. And then it's just a really simple twisting motion. So I'm going to start with the pink one because it's at the top, and I hold onto the knot with my left hand, and with my right hand I'm going to twist once and twice and then bring it over the other piece. Twist 1, 2 and bring it over the other piece. Twist, twist and over. Twist, twist and over. Twist, twist and over. It's important that you twist in the same direction, otherwise it will unravel. So I'm twisting away from myself each time, like that. It's a really relaxing thing to do. It's great for mindfulness, a great thing to do in front of the TV. Just helps to relax the mind, and it's very addictive. Now when we get to the end, I'm about to come to the end of this one, you just leave about 1 inch, and that is going to give us enough space to overlap our next piece. So I'm choosing this piece. Now you can, to make it easier to feed in, you can cut it to taper the fabric. 1 second. You can cut it like this to make it easier to feed in. There's less fabric, but I don't want any textile waste at all. Even those small bits add up, so I just tend to fold it over like this, and it's still easy to put on top of our other piece. So we're now going to overlap and twist those 2 pieces together, holding a bit more tightly than before. You can see I've still got it there, and I'm twisting those 2 bits together so that the new piece is securely twisted into my twine. And now you can see that new piece is really strong. And it's sticking out a little bit there. Later on you can cut that off, but I like to leave it because it shows that it's handmade and it has a bit more personality. Now if you were to have both of your ends be the same length, then you would have to do that overlapping part at the same time. So you would have 2 pieces, 2 new pieces at the same time, and that would make this lump bigger and also would be a weak point in your twine. So that's why we have the pieces different lengths, so that you can add that piece in at different times. So twist, twist and over, twist, twist and over. And that is it, guys. That is how easy it is to save your scraps from landfill. And I've been using this as a macrame rope, so I've made macrame objects with this twine, and you could also do giant knitting with it or giant crochet, but it's also a very beautiful object just to have on display as well. So good luck and happy twine making. See you next time.